Hello everyone, welcome to GPT live stream of Canton Fair 2021. I'm Joey and this is my colleague Catherine.
Yeah.
So Catherine, which parts we bring here to everyone?
Today we will introduce you our new module for the V-Class M style simple body kit. Now we open the box and show you our product. You will see the real product now. We open the box.
So this body kit is for V-Class.
Yeah.
Mercedes-benz. Okay, now we are unpack both and show you which products include the body kit and how it's packaged and how is the quality.
Yeah, this is a big box. 4 parts in this one box. You will see. This is the front bumper.
It's the foam
Foam.
of
Front
bumper.
bumper foam.
Yes. So if you want to change the body kit, these parts also need to fit. Okay.
Yeah. This is
And this is
heat plate.
yes. This is the cover.
Yeah. Front heat plate.
This is all for the bracket for the bumpers.
Yes.
Yes,
left
it's
and
all
right.
separately. You need when you take it, you need inflate to the bumper first, then fit to the car. Also small brackets for the bumper. This is the grill. M-style grill with the 4 chrome on it.
Yeah, 4 chrome. And a good quality for this grill.
Yes.
Wow. This box, you will see chrome, 4 chrome in this box.
All chrome parts for front bumper and the rear bumper.
Yeah, you will see.
Okay. Okay.
This is a license code. And this is a brake kit. Iron material. You see, this is a screw for the company set. This is a rear skid plate. It's already installed well for this chrome.
Okay.
This is a bumper. This is a front bumper. You will see it's a PP material. Quality is very good. Now we will open the rear bumper. This is a M style rear bumper. This is a small pass tissue for rear bumper.
Front grid for the bumpers. And what is this?
Front bumper left and right mesh.
Great.
Yeah.
Yes. For front bumpers.
Like this.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Unpack the books and take all parts here. So if you buy the kit, you will get all parts here, and it is what actually you will get it. So Catherine, let's introduce what parts included here.
Okay, you can see from this floor, and this first one is chrome for the front bumper and the rear bumper.
So the chrome we all package it separately,
Yeah.
because it is very easy to be damaged.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
chrome, you can see we use foam to protect it.
Yeah.
It's better
Yeah.
to protect it.
And the license bolt,
Yeah,
the
license bolt.
bracket
This is,
for the bumpers.
Front skid plate. It has 3 parts: left meter and right.
Yeah, and this is, I think this is the front bumper cover, which
Yeah.
under the bumpers
Yeah.
to protect the car. And this is the foam,
Brake
which we
kit.
just speak about it.
Yeah.
And the grill.
This is a grill. This is left mesh, meter mesh,
Yes,
and the right mesh.
and the front bumper.
This is a front bumper, PP material. And this is a wheel tree. This is option pass. If customer wants to buy it, it need to buy separately.
Yes, this is the operation parts. It's not including the body kit. So
Yeah.
if you need these parts, you need speak to the sales and buy it separately.
Yes.
These wheel archers need instead with side skirts.
Yeah. This if you want to buy this pass, you must buy this body kit side skirt together.
Yes. So these parts will make your cars more wider.
Yeah.
I think it will be very cool.
Yes.
And here the last two parts is the rear bumper.
Yeah.
And
rear
the
bumper and rear skid plate.
yeah. Also all made by PP plastic.
Yeah. This is PP material too.
Okay. Yeah. Here is all the parts.
So all parts already shown here for our V-Class M style simple body kit. It just change front bumper, rear and rear bumper. No need change hood and fender, headlight, tail light. No need to change. It's easy installation and make your car facelift, small cost to upgrade to a high virgin car.
Okay, it's all. Later we will show you the car, and we will compare the parts to the car and show you what is the difference.
Yeah.
See you later. Okay.
So now we already finished the product introduced. We will take the front bumper to the V-Class car and show you how this front bumper installed. Like this is V-Class car. You just take out the original front bumper and put this bumper in storage.
Yes,
Then
it's very easy to install it. Just finish the small parts of the bumper and just install it. Very easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the second one, we want to show you the wheel tree installation. Wheel tree.
This wheel tree has a glue at the back side, and when you take it, just stick to the cars.
Yes. Wheel tree you put in this place.
Yeah. Total have 8 pieces for the front and rear.
Yeah.
Make your car more wider. So I think some customer will like it. Yeah, like this.
这个也不对，反了。This one?
Yes, this one. Okay.
Okay, this body kit all parts we already finished introduction. If you have any question, you can leave message in our live studio or contact our people from Alibaba or from LinkedIn or from Facebook, or it's okay. Everyone, nice to introduce you one of our new body kit. Today we go out for this new car. I'm Catherine, and this is our partner.
I'm
Yeah, Joy. Hi, Joy. Can you introduce this car? Which year it is installed?
This kit 应该先说那个吧，先说整个。This kit is for 2016 to 2019, and we make a little change for the complete. The front parts we only change it from the 3 pieces front and the front bumper and the complete M-style grille.
So this is front bumper. We don't change it. Just is original front bumper, and we just do a small change for it.
Yes.
Just for this chrome, small change.
Yeah, little change make a difference. Yeah, and let's see inside.
Okay.
We also change the side skirts. We make some shiny chrome on it, make it more beautiful.
Yeah, this chrome is big chrome. And the side skirt, it can sell as original parts, right?
Yes, and we also changed the complete glass. So you.
Yeah,
So
this is original glasses.
no, original glass no have the you cannot open it. So we consider if someone want the smoke or want the fresh airs when you drive, you can open it directly. 你这个怎么看？
再拉。
嗯。
啊。
You can see this window can open. If you smoke, it's better to enter into fresh air.
拍效果好吗？还是你要进来？
可以的，可以的。
Okay, and the last, I'd like to introduce you about the rear parts. For the front bumper, we also make the change.
So for complete rear bumper, we change it for this part,
Yeah,
right?
complete rear bumper and make
These two parts.
the tip more like my style.
So each have exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
This one. This looks like a low rear exhaust pipe, just fake exhaust.
The tail light, we also make shining chrome on it. So we try to make something different for your car.
Pipe.
So this kit, we change the complete rear bumper and little change for the front bumper and the grill, side skirt. And if you want to change the glasses, you can also choose it.
Yeah.
So this is the complete kit. And actually, we also have make the new kit.
Yeah.
For complete one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So last time we introduced you another body kit.